we will discuss briefly how we use scientific notations in calculation. Multiplication first. For example, you have been given a problem 1.2 times 10 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 5 times 10 raised to the power 6. How to multiply? Do not worry about the 10 and exponents. Just look at this number 1.2 multiplied by 5. When you multiply 1.2 by 5, what you get? 1.1 multiplied by your answer is 6. Now, time 10. Now add the exponents with this number, which is 4. This number is 6. 4 plus 6, 10. So this is our answer. So remember, when we multiply two numbers given in scientific notation, we multiply the main number and add the exponents of 10. Okay? Now, what we do when we divide? Problem given is 5.5 times 10 raised to the power 8. Divide by 1.1 times 10 raised to the power 2. Same way, do not worry about these exponents, just 5.5. Put in your calculator 5.5 divided by 1.1. So we get 5. We are dividing. Now subtract the exponents. Here exponents of 10 is 8. Here exponent of 10 is 2. So 8 minus 2 would be 6. So my answer would be 5 times 10 raised to the power 6. So remember, don't forget, when we multiply, we add the exponents. When we divide, we subtract the exponents. What we do when we will be adding or subtracting. Let's proceed. This is the question. 1.04 times 10 raised to the power 3 plus 6.8 times 10 raised to the power 2. When we add or subtract, our first task would be alter the number and adjust the exponents. This number is here, the exponent of 10 is 3. Here, the exponent of 10 is 2. Do something that you should have same exponents to both numbers. What we do? 1.04 times 10 power 3 plus 6.8. If I do like this, move the decimal on my left one digit, so it becomes 0.68 times 10. Now power became 3. Okay? But remember, do not change the exponents of 3 to 2. Bring to the larger side, 10 to the now add these two numbers. 1.04 plus 0.68. My answer is 1.72. Since both exponents are same, just put this, and this is the correct answer. Same rule would be applied when you are separating the numbers. That's very brief description and explanation how we use scientific notation in our calculations. Thank you so much. And if you have any question, please ask in the comment section. And if you like the video, please give a thumb up and share with your friends. Have a wonderful day.